We will use OpenAI ChatGPT 4.0 model to evaluate the LLM capability. This first capability we'll highlight is the model's ability to understand and respond to human language straight out of the box. Here, you see an example where the user asks for a pep talk. Notice how the AI responds with a motivational and contextually appropriate message. It's not just about the words, it's about capturing the tone, the intent, and the context of the conversation. This shows the model's remarkable proficiency in natural language understanding, making it feel like you're talking to a well-informed, empathetic human. The second capability we'll discuss is the model's vast built-in knowledge base. Here, the AI is asked to list significant events in US history, and it quickly generates an accurate, concise response with key dates and events. This shows how the model can serve as a powerful resource for information, pulling from a vast corpus of knowledge to provide answers on a wide range of topics. It's like having an encyclopedia at your fingertips, ready to deliver accurate, context-rich information on demand. Here, we see an example of the AI's ability to reason through a problem. When asked to determine the best way to stack items to avoid breakage, the AI provides a logical sequence, considering the weight, fragility, and stability of each item. It even explains the reasoning behind its choices, showing a level of critical thinking that goes beyond simple information retrieval. While it's not perfect and doesn't replace human judgment, it demonstrates how AI can assist in decision-making processes by offering reasonable and thought-out solutions. Personally, I don't think these models can reason. They fake reasoning, and I would like to discuss what you think in our Discord channel. In this example, the AI is asked to explain the concept of gravity in the style of Shakespeare. What we see here is a fascinating display of how the AI can emulate different writing styles and personas. By drawing on its vast knowledge of literature and language patterns, the AI crafts a response that echoes the poetic rhythm and vocabulary of Shakespeare. This capability shows how AI can adapt to various contexts, making it a powerful tool for creative and educational purposes. Now, I encourage you to test out these prompts yourself to explore these capabilities. If this is your first time using an LLM, you'll likely notice something interesting. Your responses might differ from mine, and in fact, everyone's responses will be slightly different. Instead of me explaining why that happens, I suggest you ask the LLM directly with this prompt. Why is every response to the same question different?